unbox na natin yung Savior Valkyrie. Let's go. Wait, let me get my cutter. Got my scissors. Okay. Okay. Let's unbox it. With test button to guys. With test button. Hindi ko mabuka. Ayun mo may test button. Parang empty to guys. Parang empty. Guys, tatanggalin ko to para ano na siya. Di mag-siva. Click muna natin ito. Lah. Ang tight guys. Savior Ring. Valkyrie chip. Please tell me the armor. I think this is wrong. And shot driver. Okay, let's assemble it. I think this is snowbound gimmick. But that's okay. So hard. Wait, let me pause. Okay guys, I assembled it. Wait lang, concentrate. Uy, concentrate. Wait lang guys. Okay guys, napakoncentrate ko na siya. Clicks. Lah. Uy. Uy. Uy, rebound gimmick. Let's do a test spin. Let's go. By the way, mamayin ko na ito kakabitin guys. Okay, gawin ko na itong transition. Okay guys, test spin. Okay, let's test button. Okay. First, Ragnarok. Boring siya guys, boring. Mamaya, smooth guys, smooth. Oh, unbalance guys. Layan ko nga guys. Okay, panalo si Ragnarok. Wait lang guys, ayusin ko ng camera angle ko. Ayan guys, naayos ko na. Layan ko yan. Ultimate Valkyrie na ako guys. Sana mag-activate ko. Uy. Lumabas siya ng unti guys. Oh, sometimes I really want to do this. Grabe guys, nawasak. Oh, sobrang hina. Oh, scraping. Uy. Panalo guys pa din. Kasi ito natin. Burst ulit guys. Kaya pwede na ito. Last battle guys. Last battle guys. Gagamitin ko to. Shoot to. Para mahina lang guys. Sana guys magkano yung bound games na. Uy. Hindi pa gumagana. Tingnan ko nga ulit. Okay guys, isa pang button. Oh. Oh. What's up? Wasak guys. Oh. Di. Isa pa. Last. 3, 2, 1. It seems hindi gumagana guys ang bound gimmick. Kunin ko lang yung ano ito guys. Yung kunin ko guys yung thumbnail ko. Okay, that's it. So, bye-bye na. And thank you for watching.